Oh.
Thank you.
Alright, someone told me that I might find my wife on Toll Meter. Let's go see if Toll Meter knows where I'm going, or where my wife is. Let's go.
Hey, man.
Alright, time to get on Toll Meter's ride.
Don't worry, it's just me, mate. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the tray. And keep an eye.
That's over there.
Halloween-loving characters are ready for one wild jamboree. Now let's get ready to fill them trunks with some treats. Hold on, a donut. What's Bob? Bar of security.
Alright. Once we get in, we have to put the strap on.
Security. Yeah, Scott. Keep on hanging, Susan. Yes.
Loosen that up.
Please.
Excellent, no, a super kingdom.
All right, tug on it for me. Thank you.
There you go. That's what happens when you get in the last person to get in the trailer.
Well, everybody's faster than me. Those little kids are...
Yep. And they went into the other gate and they ran all the way to the other side. they got the better trailer.
No, we got the best.
Oh.
The best trailer.
Okay.
Like one night when she creeped up and
He's gonna be out here.
with six big old tires and glowing bright
I better hold on to the side. I don't want to crush you.
Took me by surprise.
Oh, here we go. Oh, you're not supposed. Oh, that's.
I think you should fix my back.
I hope so.
We don't scare my friend.
I was too busy trying to keep my hat on that I didn't want to crush you. Ended up crushing you. Oh, here we go again. Oh! Oh, crushing laws.
And I'm crushing you.
No, crush you. Oh, you can't crush me. That's not allowed.
She was having
Oh no, this is gonna be good. No! Oh! Oh, that could have been a real bad crush for you if I wasn't holding on. I think I forgot to look for Lee. I don't think we'll find her. Stay tuned for the next one. I think I killed my mom.